It still works. It still works. Now in this bag, you have 7,000 rupees worth tech products. And in this case, these are Apple products. Now, I really love collecting old tech products. It could be smartphones, computers, whatever. I am on the hunt right now to collect as many unique old products as possible. So let's see what we have in this. Now, the main thing to notice is that I really have no idea what the condition is. I know what products are there because of course I saw the pictures, but I really don't know their condition, if they work, or if it is, iCloud locked, or I really have no clue. So let's take a look. So first we have an iPad. Now I really don't know which version is this, but we'll check it out. Then we have an iPhone. This says, I don't know if it is 6 or 6S. And then we have an iPod. This looks like the iPod 5. This is the 60 gigabyte variant. And finally, they've also provided a charging cable for the iPod. So these are all what I got for the 7,000 rupees I paid. So let's go through all of them and see if they work. So first up, let's start with the iPad. So I just remove this protective, whatever you call it. And as you can see here, now I think the screen is not broken. In fact, this here is a tempered screen protector. So let me just remove it. Now this iPad is in pristine condition. So let me just check if it turns on. So there's no charge here right now. So I'll just put it on charge and let's see if it works. So meanwhile the iPad is charging, let's take a look at the next one. So next we have an iPhone. Now this doesn't seem in good shape. Yeah, as you can see here, it just pops up. I don't know what is missing inside. It really doesn't look in that good of a condition. Of course, we'll have to tear down and see what is going on here. Yeah, so the iPhone was a bust and I paid 1,000 rupees for that. But anyways, next up, final device, we have the iPod. So this here is the iPod 5th gen. Now it's in horrible cosmetic condition, but that's fine. I think there's no charge in it right now. So I'll just charge this too and get back right to you. The iPod is working. Now I don't know if you can see here, very faintly it shows low battery, please wait. Now that is a good sign. Now I'm glad this is definitely working. Now while the iPod is charging, let's check which model is our iPad. So after checking which model number this is, here we have the iPad 6th generation. Not the Air, not the Pro, nothing, it's just the iPad 6th generation. Now cosmetically it doesn't have any damage. Of course the back is pretty dirty, you just need to clean up and there's someone's name written, we'll clean that up. But other than that, no, I don't know if there's charge, I don't know if it's even charging. I have it connected but doesn't look like there's any sign of life. Either there's no charge or this is completely broken. And if for this I paid 3,000 rupees, then I am a total idiot. But we have good news. Yes, finally, the iPod is powered on. Oh my god. And the power has again gone. Let's wait for some time and see if at least the iPod works. Yeah, so I spent 7,000 rupees for all of this. And yeah, the iPhone definitely doesn't work. And one thing I can definitely notice is that display has actually come out from the frame. So that means I think we need to change that entire display. So let me just open up and see if there's any battery, because this feels super light. I don't remember the iPhone being super light. And yeah, this here is the A1549. So that means this is the iPhone 6, not the 6S, iPhone 6, the Bengate one. So let's just open up and see what's missing. And make sure you subscribe, because if there's the battery still there, or even if it's not, I will buy parts for this and fix it up, and let's see if we can bring life to this. Now, it was easy opening up the iPhone 6. So yeah, there's no battery. There's no battery at all. I knew that it was too light. It was extremely light. I've never really opened up any phone before. I've actually, troubleshooted computers and stuff, PCs, but definitely not smartphones. I might do a lot of things wrong here, so please bear with me. So the display is, I think, completely gone because it comes apart, like as you can see here, comes apart from the frame. So I think I need to change this. So as you can see here, we have the bare phone without any battery and stuff. So yeah, I paid 1,000 rupees for this shell, and that's kind of disappointing. So I thought if it was only the problem with the display, I could change it and try to revive it. But yeah, I'm not going to lose hope. Let me just try fixing this, buy a new battery, buy a new display and try fixing it. That might be a new video. If it's successful, then great. If not, that's very sad. Now I'll just keep this aside for the time being, and let's just see the iPod. Yes, the iPod is working. So I don't know if you can see it properly. Woo, it still works. It still works. I mean, this is my first time using this iPod. The original iPod I first used was the iPod Touch, third generation, and then I used the iPod Nano, and then there was this iPod which had a camera at the back. It was sleek. I used that, but other than that, I haven't used any other iPods. This is definitely amazing. The funny part is this actually works. So now, I've been trying to see if any one works well, and out of the three products that I have, only the iPod works, and the charge drains. Obviously, of course, you can't expect it to hold charge. It's a 20-year-old product. But the best part is this here is a vintage device. So yeah, maybe one day it might be antique. But I'm very glad I have this with me right now because this is an amazing device. But other than that, it doesn't look like the iPad is working. I mean, I've put this on charge for quite a long time and it doesn't work. So that's kind of a bummer. And then the iPhone. I paid $1,000 just for the shell. There's no battery, there's no nothing. Yeah, I think I might hang this up on a frame, or if I'm able to get parts for this, I'll just try fixing it up. If it works, great. That might be another video. If it doesn't work, this is just going on a frame and on the wall. Now, if you guys want me to actually go and find products like these and purchase them, definitely let me know, because I really love going around and trying to find all these antique vintage products. And by antique vintage, I don't really mean like 25-year-old ones, but even like 10-year-old smartphones, 8-year-old, 5-year-old smartphones, or computers, old iMacs, or old Dell smartphones. Yes, Dell had smartphones. Now if I'm able to get my hands on things like that, I will actually start making a series. And if you're actually interested in watching these kinds of videos, definitely let me know. I will go ahead and get those for you. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm really sorry it didn't turn out the way you expected, like at least maybe one or two working properly, but sadly that didn't happen. So sorry for that, but maybe next time, hopefully we get the luck to have products that actually work. So thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.